Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about how to read and write a files in a Python. So reading and writing in a file, we will use a function named open function we will use. So here we have to define a file name and the type of the permissions. Let's say how we can write. Just let's start the coding now. Now you will see how we can write. F is equal to open. So this is the function name. So write the function name open. So we'll use this function open, and then you need to write the name of the file. Suppose the name of the file is let's say header. Okay, so header.txt. So this is the file name, header.txt, and then you need to give the permission. Okay, what type of permission you want to give to this file? So if it is a read file, write file, what is this? So we need to define the permission. So permission, so if w write, w is to is the permission and write. Okay, w mean write. Okay, then how many lines you need to write? So for that one you need to write the code. Suppose if it is a 5 line, 6 line, 10 lines, for each line you need to write a now the for loop. For x is a variable in a range. So range, let's say 0 to 12. So 12 lines. Sorry, here we need to type a colon here in between 0 to 12, and 0 to 12 and colon. So for x in range 0 to 12 lines, and then we need to write a function for f dot write. So what you want to write? So here we want to write, suppose 10 times we want to write like and subscribe to HaiderTech. Like and subscribe to HaiderTech. Suppose 10 times we want to write like and subscribe to HaiderTech. So it will write, sorry, 12 times. It will write 12 times. So this sentence it will write 12 times. Okay. After that, so it will write in a same line. So we need to increment the loop as well. So plus s string x is a variable. Then because it should start from a new line, so we write plus, and here plus n, so it will start a new line. So at the end of each sentence, so it will start a new line. Okay, so backslash new line, sorry, here it should start backslash new. Okay, so new line, and then we need to close the function f dot close. Okay, so we need to close this function f dot close, and then we will write so that's all here. It should be out of the loop. And now let me run this program. Now you can see this is the program, and let me run the program and we will see the output now. Now yes, it runs successfully. Did you observe here? So this is header.txt. We will see what is written inside. Did you observe here? So like and subscribe to HaiderTech, 10 line. So each line we write like and subscribe. Then the second line start with the new because we write backslash n. So backslash n, it will start a text from the new line. Okay, so the loop run 12 times. Okay, so this is the way you can write in a file. Now suppose if we want to append some line here, suppose 13, 14, 15, we want to append some text. So how we can append the text? So here, so how we can append the text? So here, appending a text, so here you can just type here a, it will append the text. Okay, it will append mean add to the existing data. So it will not overwrite, it will extend, it will append, and it will add the existing data. Okay, so now here what we want to append, now you can see. So here the same function, then the number of line, how many number of line you want to append. Suppose you want to append 5 more lines. Okay, now what text you want to append in a file. So we just want to append HaiderTech YouTube channel. Okay, suppose you want to append this data. Okay, so how you can append? Now you can see here, or we can say, let's say, let me run and we will see. Now let me check. Now did you observe here? So 12 lines of code is already there. Then we append 5 more lines. So you can see, after that they append the data, append this data, this line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it start from 0. It means, so 5 lines has been appended in a file, added in a file. Okay, suppose if we need to read from the file, then what we need to write? Okay, suppose this is the file name, header.txt. If we need to read, how we can read from the file? Okay, so for this purpose we need here, suppose this line of code we need to delete, and here I can just add some more line of code. Let's say reading. So how to read in a file? F is equal to open, and then we need the file name. Suppose we need to read a file, so we have header.txt, and we need to read the file. So how we can read the file? Here you can just write R mean read. Okay, and then we can write so my variable name is my data. Sorry, here capital, better to have this one, my data, and f dot read. So this is the function we are going to use. It will read the data from header.txt file, and then print. So we will print my data. Now you will see how it will read from a file, how it will read. So this is the file. So you, whatsoever you have the file, suppose whatever you have the file, whatever it has the extension, just give the file name, and so whether you want to read or write. So if you want to read, then you need to write R. If you want to write, so you need to give the permission. So R means the read permission and write permission. But now in this case we are going to read. Okay, so it will read and save it in my data in this variable. Then we will print it here. Let me run the program and we will see the output. Did you observe here? So it is going to read. Okay, like and subscribe and HaiderTech YouTube channel. So this is the way you can use, and you can use read and you can reading and writing a file. We will use a open function in a Python. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you inshallah in next video.